Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Samsung message theme. So if you want to change or customize your message theme on Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change theme on Samsung message app, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung messages app. Then select the chart where you want to change the theme. Once you selected it like this, click on the three dots at the top right. Then here, you should see Customize Chat Room. So go ahead and click on that. Once you selected Customize Chat Room, now scroll down, you have access to Themes, Bubble Opacity, and then Text Contrast. Now to change your theme, just come here and select the theme you want to set as your message theme here. You can also click on the gallery icon to select any of your photos and set it as your message theme on your Samsung phone. So like this, click on done. Then once you've selected it or set it that way, hit the back button. Then you should see the message theme like this changed. However, if you want to apply the message theme to all your messages, just come back and click on the three dots at the top right on any chat. Click on Customize Chat Room, and you want to make sure you apply to all chat rooms. So if you click Apply to all chat rooms, this is going to apply the theme to all chat rooms on your Samsung message. Then apply this look to all your chat rooms. Go ahead and hit the Apply button, and then you're good. And if you don't want to use your picture, just come here and select any other theme of your choice. Hit the back button, and then you should see the theme like this. You can also apply this theme to all the chats in your Samsung messages, and then you're good. So that is basically how to change chat theme or message theme in Samsung messages. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.